Hi everybody, and welcome back to this series of videos on Redgate ReadyRoll, part of the Redgate SQL Toolbelt. In previous videos we set up our ReadyRoll project, we imported our database objects from our development database, and we added our static data. Today what I'd like to look at is actually how we can now set a baseline so that we can say what's already in our project has already been deployed to our targets and therefore should not be redeployed when we come to push changes further up the chain. Instead, what we want to do is create a new folder that's going to store all of our incremental change scripts from this point on. So at the moment in my migrations folder, you can see I've got my initial schema and my initial static data scripts. What I'm going to do to tell ReadyRoll that these have actually already been deployed and these are already in existence in my target database is I'm going to add a new folder, and I'm going to call this folder 100. So this is version 1, if you like, of my database. And then I'm going to move these initial scripts into that folder. I'm now going to add a second folder to this migrations parent folder, and this is going to be called 101. And so now I have my 100 folder, which holds my initial state and my initial static data, and I now have this new folder 101. If I go into the project properties, then you'll see I actually have some options halfway down about the approach that I'm going to use for setting the baseline, and this is part of the section on semantic versioning. So if I choose to apply semantic versioning to my incremental migrations, I then get this secondary option to set the baseline for the existing databases using the first semver folder. And so this means that if I put a check in this box, everything that's included in this first folder is specified as having already been deployed. Anything in the folders that follow will be my incremental change script, which require deploying out to those target databases. So that's how easy it is to set a baseline using Redgate ReadyRoll. Please join me in later videos where we'll be looking at how we can start capturing the changes to our development database in our ReadyRoll database project, and then using those incremental migration scripts that it produces to deploy those changes out to our target database environments. Thanks very much.